Hi guys, welcome to the session. In previous sessions, we discussed how to create the payment link and how we can convert the payment link into QR code. In this session, we are going to discuss how we can convert the payment link into buy button and how we can add the buy button to your website. So let's start our session. Let's log in the Stripe portal. This is the Stripe portal login page. Here you need to enter your account details, email ID and password. I'm going to log in the portal using my test account. We have logged in the portal. Now you need to click on the payment link option from the left navigation. This will display all the existing payment links. Now you need to click on that payment link for which you want to generate the buy button. For example, you want to generate the buy button for this flood relief collection payment link. So you need to click on this to open the payment link. Here you will see one option called buy button. You need to click on it. When you click on this buy button option, Stripe will generate the buy button code for you. Here you can also see how your buy button will look like. You can scroll down. At the end, you will see the buy button. So this is how your buy button will look like. Stripe also allow us to customize this buy button. To customize this buy button, you need to scroll up. You need to go to the config section. Here you can see. Here you will find two options, card and the button. You can use this card option if you want to show the details like payment link title, suggested amount, supported methods. Then you can use this card option. If you just want to display the button, then you can use this option, button. And this is how the buy button will look like. As per your requirement, you can change the look and feel of this button. Like here you have options to update the text, the button color, font, border style, and in the card option also you will have these options: text update, font, color, all these. So as per your requirement, you can choose either of the option, card or button. After you are done with the customization of the button, then you need to click on the save changes. So your button will be saved. To see the button again, you can click on this buy button. This is how we can convert the payment link into buy button. Now I am going to show how you can add this buy button on your website. To show the demo, I have created one HTML file. This is the HTML file, and I have opened this HTML file in my browser. Here you can see. Now I am going to add the buy button in this page. What you need to do is you need to copy the buy button code from the Stripe portal. This is the buy button code. You need to copy it, paste this code in your file where you want to display the buy button. So I have pasted the buy button code in this HTML. Now let's refresh the page. You can see the buy button is appearing here. If you click on this button, the payment page is opened where customer can make the payment. If you notice this URL, you will understand that this is the payment link URL, which we discussed in the previous session when we were talking about how to create the payment link. And this payment page can also be customized as per the requirement. This we discussed in the previous session on Stripe payment link. If you make any kind of change in the button configuration in the Stripe portal, you just need to refresh this page and button will be loaded using the updated configuration. For example, now let's change this to the button. And this is how the button will look like. Let's save this. Now let's refresh the page. So you can see the button has been reloaded using the new configuration. So this is how you can add the buy button on your website. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.